Guys, welcome back. Look what I have. Yeah, I'm excited. We're in March. I'm filming this in March, and this is the March kit from Tonic, and I'm excited. I got very excited when it actually arrived. I got excited when I ordered it. Woohoo! So you'll see more of these from me going forward for a while. So let's dig in. First of all, it comes in this fabulous box. I have to say, this is very, very cool. Like, it's a chunky box, but it's really sturdy, so you know your stuff's going to be safe. I just open this. Ta-da! It's even got like a little welcome thing. How cute's that? And don't get rid of these boxes. Keep these for spray boxes and stuff when you need them for, you know, spraying stuff. Right, so you get this little booklet which tells you everything that's in the kit. It's also handy if there's a colour cardstock or a product that was in here that you think, oh, I absolutely love it, and you've run out of it, then you know, right, I'll go and get more of that. You know what the product code is, you know what the thing's called, you know what colour it is. Bosh. So that's really handy actually. I really like that they do that. That's nice. And then there's also some ideas on what to do with the pieces that are in here. And oh, I forgot to tell you, it's called Floral Gate Creator. So yes, let's create some floral stuff. Right, so, oh, my cat's howling in the background like he does. Right, there's 3 sections to these kits, just so you know. There is this bit, which is the bag of fun. It's the Nouveau product, or the Nouveau side of it. Then you have the craft kit, the main stamps and dies. Sometimes there's stencils in here, that sort of thing. So we'll go through that in a second. And then you have, I just want to get the box out the way. Then you have the paper, which always comes in this little folder. I kept, the last kit I did, I actually kept in this, but I store my stamps and dies in a different way. So I rejigged them. And I found out that every 3rd kit you actually get a little binder to pop these guys in. So I did not know that. So I will now be keeping them as they are in the same place I store them until I get the little binder after everything, 3 kits or however it works. So, and I believe they just automatically come in the box ready to go. So let's go through the papers first, because this is just, I mean, come on, look at that. Oh, it is really nice and textured. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a, looks a bit like snow-ish, but it's like an ice blue. It's really nice. Let's see if I can work out what colour the I have no clue, guys. We're winging this at this point. So this, I think, oh, it's called Hailstorm. It's a specialty, what's called a specialty cardstock. So that, I mean, look at it, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Right, then we have a glitter cardstock, and this is in Candy Floss. Oh, I mean, I love the name. That just says it all, but that is a fabulous, sorry, there was a lot of F coming out there, not in a bad word way, but it's a fabulous pink, man. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, and let's just do the, no, it doesn't rub off. We're on to a winner there. I can't stand stuff like that rubs off. Right, oh, blingy. Right, so I think now we have, let's grab these. So there are 2, sorry, I'm blinding everybody. There are 2 metallic-y colour, 2 holographic mirror cards. One is Tidal Wave and one is Petal Pink. So I know the camera's picking up weird everything, and I'm probably blinding you guys, I'm so sorry. But one has actually, at the right angle, you can see the pink in this one and the blue in this one. That is fabulous. I need to use that more and more, that sort of mirror cardstock, because, well, I don't. So, so now, oh, let me just flip these around. So now we have, let's see. So this, I believe, these are like a textured cardstock. Let's just put them the right way around. Yeah, I think we're there. And they're a thinner cardstock. I think they're 216 GSM, I think. But we have, let's just see here, we have classic card in Blossom Pink, I'm going to say, navy blue, cornflower blue, and these are raspberry, I can't even talk, raspberry pink. The raspberry ones, there's 2 sheets of them, and they are classed as the classic card. Oh, they're all classic card. They were just in a different place on there, so I thought it was a different thing. I'll get used to it, and you'll get used to me. We're just going to go with it. Anyway, cardstock done. Beautiful. Fabulous colours. I think they all work really nicely together. This I'm in love with. Candy floss, I mean, that just says it all. Hello. Right. Then we have the little folder that you get, which is very cool. And in here you have, I can get this out of the way, you get your like your sticker that you can either leave on the box. If you want to store all of it in the box that it came in, you can do that and just pop this on the front of the box, and then you know that's that kit. Or you could stick it, I think on my other one I might have stuck it on the paper rather than this, so I'll probably stick it on the paper envelope just so I know that's the set it all comes from. And I'll keep that with it, you know, so I know where I am. You get a little, what do you call these things, like discount thing? So there's your discount code for that, and then there's a different one on the other side reminding you about the stamp club, because I have that as well. It's not a kit club, I sort of checked that out, but it is a, you can still buy it like a stamp club thing every month. Then we have the stamp set. Let's see if I can do this way. And the stamps they're mostly sentiments, which makes sense because the rest of it's dies, and one little flower that coordinates and is sort of matching. But these are really lovely sentiments. You're always special to me. You will always be special. See, can't talk. I've lost the plot now. You will always be special to me. Just for you, sending you wishes your way. You know, just really nice sentiments for whenever, really. Right, put that there. The dies come in these, just fling it over there. They come in these, they're like got almost like a foamy sort of thing, but they're just sort of stuck in the bags. They're actually on another sheet in there, and these are all the dies, and I believe that some of them you can cut the outline, but you can also cut the sort of filigree work to go inside it. So we'll play with those, and I'll explain them as we go when we do that. And there's also a lovely corner one that you can then layer up. There's actually 3 pieces. There's this corner piece here, the filigree, what I'm going to call it, and then this edge piece that you can then create a pocket on the corner of your card. And also it creates gatefolds, so that's the idea behind it. Then we have the bag of fun, and hopefully my camera won't die. Now in the bag of fun, I don't know why I'm calling it a bag of fun, anyway, because it is a bag of fun. There was a choice. You would either, well, not a choice, but you would either get the paper pack that is Sweet Sorbet or Blue Blossom, and then you would get a coordinating either white or navy ribbon. So let's see what I got. That out of the way. I got the navy, which is really pretty. This is a really lovely thin ribbon. I think it's 3mm, yeah, 3mm thick, so it's a really skinny kind of ribbon. You can sort of see it there. Beautiful colour. The camera's not doing it justice, I will add, but beautiful. And then the paper pack that goes with it is the, if I can just find it. Oh, it's called Blue Blossom. Look at that. Right on the front. I didn't have to look in there. And there's 24 sheets, and it is a sealed whole, you know, the whole pack. It's not sort of a few sheets from a bigger pack, if that makes sense. So you get a whole 6x6 thingy, and it's lovely. It's got sort of stripes and gingham and different kind of stripes and that on one side, and then it's got sort of a dot style pattern on the back, but some of it's hearts. I know you can't see that on here, but yeah, beautiful, beautiful. I love paper. You guys know that. I love paper. I just forget to use the stuff. And then in this one you get a craft pick, a Tim Holtz craft pick. Tim Holtz works with Tonic for all his like tool things, so including this doobrey in the background. And I've never, I thought someone was at my door. I've never used this before. I've never owned one, so this is going to be cool because Tim Holtz, hello, everybody loves Tim Holtz. And then we have two Nouveau products. We have an embellishment mousse in Peony pink, and Mum, if you're watching, I believe this is the first one I bought you. I don't actually have this colour, so that's awesome. Yeah, it's a really pretty pink. And then the Nouveau crystal drops, these are a gloss crystal drop, and they are Carnation pink. So again, a really pretty pink to coordinate. The pinks don't match, but they coordinate together to work with each other with all of this. So I'm super, super chuffed with that. That's, you know, what more can I say? Right, so that is it, guys. That is the Nouveau March 2022 Floral Gate Creator Kit. Now, stay tuned. I will, I said this in my last video, I will hopefully get some stuff, some ideas out there for you in this kit, I mean from this kit, in March, because it's the March kit. I'm not affiliated with Tonic Studios. I would love to be, but I'm not. But I want to share as much as I can about these products and things in the month that they actually come out. It doesn't matter if you watch it later on, because if you have the kit you can still create more stuff, hopefully, and take inspiration from people like me. Thank you. But if not, then, you know, I like to try and get them out in the same month. I have of recent been a bit delayed in getting stuff done, but life happens. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys, and yeah, stay tuned. We'll make some fun stuff, and I will be back, of course, in the next one. Bye!